Greetings, class. I am going to try posting videos on Moodle. I just want to encourage you to please read through all of the deadlines and the coursework that needs to be done. Every week in the physical science course, you need to complete your classwork. For week one, because everybody there was a few issues with Moodle, and so I originally had put the date for Monday, but I couldn't get a hold of anybody. The students hadn't populated in the Moodle course yet. So your classwork, which is on Moodle for week one, is due this Friday by midnight. Every week you have classwork, you have a discussion to complete, you have homework to complete. So 3 items. The way attendance is going to work is that if you do not complete any of those items, if you do not complete, the discussion and the classwork, you will be considered absent for that week. It is important and it is really imperative that you as a student check Moodle regularly. Go over it. If it looks overwhelming, then ask questions. I know several times I get students that are, well, I didn't know. Unfortunately, because this is an online class, I don't have any way to remind you or tell you in class or make things more clear. And so you really have to check Moodle very often. Answer your emails. The best way to reach me is my Gmail account. I will get the messages if you message me through Moodle, but I can't always reply back to you through Moodle on my phone. But I can, if you need a fast response, email me at my Gmail account. So please read through all of the dates. This is an online class, and so your midterm and your final, it will have 2 parts. There is a multiple choice, which is very similar to your homework that you complete every week, and then you will have a short answer portion that is similar to your classwork and your homework assignments. So please make sure that you're doing, I have no problem with you consulting with a classmate. However, all of the work should be your own. That's including your classwork, okay? It should not be verbatim copying just because you guys all work together from any of your classmates. I have had issues with this in the past, and I've tried to be understanding and lenient, but if I see at any moment in your classwork or even your homework that it looks like there might be some plagiarism happening or cheating happening or copying happening, anything of that nature, you will receive a 0. And that includes your classwork, your homework, and your exams. So you're welcome to talk to your classmates. You're welcome to use online resources. I think I've provided some online resources. I will be putting up videos of me teaching, and I will be trying to do a recording while I'm doing the PowerPoint and posting that on to Moodle. So you have some sort of auditory portion of this class. I wish you all of the best of luck. This week, you actually, I believe, you have 2 discussions. One is to introduce yourself. Those are free points. Let me know who you are. Let me know that you're in the class. What's your business? What's your major? What are you doing work-wise? I think many of my students are working adults. Do you have a family? What are your interests? Very, very simple, very easy points. As far as the classwork is concerned, you just have to read and take notes, and then you have some key terms that you have to define. Now, as far as uploading your work, please make sure that the file that you upload has your name on it and the assignment that it is for, because when I download it and it just says week one, or whatever it is that you name it, classwork, things get a little, it's harder to grade them. So please make sure all of your assignments have your name, the name of the assignment, and that sort of information. All of this is on Moodle, or you can replay this message, but all of this is on Moodle, and it's at the very top it's pinned at the very top. What else? Classwork. Oh, your homework is all multiple choice. There might be some short answer questions, but it's all multiple choice. And you do not have a time limit for your homework. You will have a time limit for your midterm and your final, and you will only have one attempt for your midterm and your final. But your homework, you have about 3 or 4 attempts to get it right, and it's your highest grade. So I think that's all. If there is anything else that I need to put up, I will try to message everyone, or I'll put another video up. Have a great week. Please make sure you get your work done and in on time. I do not accept late work because it's hard for me to catch up with it, and it gets lost in my email. So please turn your work in on time. And and also, for example, if you have an issue uploading, please don't just email it to me. It gets lost in my email. I have several different classes. I have several different groups that I'm a part of, and it all slams into one email. And so it's better if I just find it in Moodle. I think that's it. Good luck.